on, Ninjas? This is your girl Maya, and I'm going to show you a combination of movements involving calisthenics like push-ups, squats, with animal flow movements and primal movements for an all-in-one, totally flowlicious combination of movements that you can do anywhere that's gonna hit almost every single muscle group. Let's do it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, press that bell. We are here every week with fresh new content for you. Now, I'm gonna show you the flow and then we'll break it down after. Get your mind right, get your wrists warm, hit it. Okay, so what I just did there was basically a squat into an 8, into 2 side kick throughs, walked out into a push-up. So we've got legs, chest, and with the side kick through, we have a little bit of back and rotation action too. So let's break it down. You're gonna start in a standing position. Engage your core, walk it up, tuck your hips underneath you, squat down into that deep 8, walk out into beast position. Give me 2 side kick throughs. Walk out into plank. Give me that push up. Walk back into your 8 and 8 reach and open for that hip and ankle mobility. Okay, so that's 1 rep. Where would you want to throw that in? Anywhere. You can do that as a nice warm up. You can do that as a finisher. You can do that for reps, for times. Literally, that's the reason why I love bodyweight training, is you can do this anywhere, anytime, any way you want to do it. Okay, I'm going to show it to you from this angle because I felt like I was going to kick my W. Wincha! Okay. Get your mind right. Okay, squat down. 8. Beast. Side kick through. Side kick through. Push up. Walk back. 8. Reach and open up onto the toes and stand up. One more time. And stand up. All right, guys, play around with these movements. Watch the tape over if you need to, and check out the description box where each one of these movements have already been broken down for you in the past. Woo! Look at me. That's a workout. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. Thanks for being here, guys, and I'll see you next time.